Hey gorgeous girlfriend, so many people have been asking me about this beautiful locks hairstyle that you can rock to a wedding, an event, any kind of a special occasion. So you're gonna need long locks for this. If you've got long waist length locks, this is perfect for you. Now my hair is actually faux crochet locks that were done in a way to optimize the length retention on my fine natural strands. So if you are rocking a style like this, then keep on watching. I'm going ahead and using my arm power to get all of those locks up into the ponytail holder. When you're choosing a ponytail holder, you want to be very specific with the kind that you're choosing. So you're looking for something that has enough stretch, enough give to get all of the locks inside of the ponytail holder, but it also needs to have an elastic stretch to it to stretch back and to hold it all in place. So all of my locks are seemingly up. I think there was one or two in the back that actually got left behind, unfortunately. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've ever had extensions, tried to put them up in a ponytail and ended up leaving some out in the back. That is my situation right now, and girlfriend, trust and believe, we are not taking this ponytail back down. We are going to stuff those two locks right back up into that ponytail holder. Here I'm just struggling to get that lock back up into the ponytail holder, and after what felt like forever but was only really a minute, I finally got them back in. Girlfriend, the struggle is real. The struggle is real. Anyways, now that those have been, all my locks are up in the ponytail, you want to make sure that they're all kind of flowing in the right direction before we start to braid. So you're going to go ahead and split it into 3 sections and just put one section underneath the other, underneath the other, underneath the other, in a very, it can be methodical, but as long as you're kind of using the same tension for each, section, it should be able to braid in a very somewhat uniform way. Now, if your braid isn't looking the way my braid is looking, not to fear, because after we're done braiding the hair all the way down to the ends, what we're gonna do next is really make it look a little bit less perfect. So you don't have to have fantastic braiding methods or braiding skills for this. I'm gonna take one lock and just loop it around itself and lock it at the bottom because I've got curly ends and I really wanna be able to show off that curly end. So here we are at the part where you want to just, open it up and style it to your liking. I did lay my edges down with some edge control because these braids are getting a little bit older, or these locks rather are getting older. And so I'm just going to go in and fluff it up. You can fluff it to your liking. If you want a more, formal look, a tighter look, then you can do that too. So this is the finished look. This video has been slightly sped up, but really and truly, it only took me about 6 minutes to install, and I'm good to go. This is a style that you can rock to work. Again, you can wear it to a wedding, a gala, any type of an event. Now, I really love this, but of course, there's other ways that you could rock the look as well. So I'm gonna show you a second way to wear this style once it's already been braided up. So if you have to transition from party girl to office, you could just go ahead and, twist that on up on top of itself at the top of your head, and then just secure it by tucking in the lock underneath the actual bun. Following that, if you've got a scrunchie, just to lock it in even further, go ahead and take that scrunchie. Mine is satin lined. Even though my hair is protected within the locks, I still like to use that, and just pop it on top and tuck it underneath the bun so that you can't really see anything. Girlfriend, if you were feeling this tutorial, you're loving these two looks, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make some more tutorials just for you. Thank you so much for watching Fine Natural Hair Rocks. I've been posting a lot of shorts videos lately on a pretty much daily basis. Go ahead and subscribe and definitely check out Fine Natural Hair Rocks every single day so that you never ever miss out. I love you so much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!